Understanding, in the same boat, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very common but intriguing phrase, in the same boat. Stick around as we break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, in the same boat, is an idiom that means being in the same situation or facing the same challenges as others. When you use this expression, you're highlighting that you and another person, or group of people, are experiencing similar circumstances, especially challenges or difficulties. Ever wondered where this phrase comes from? In the same boat likely has its roots in a very literal situation. Imagine several people in a small boat at sea. Their fate would be closely connected. If a storm hit, they'd all face the same danger together. Over time, this literal scenario gave way to the figurative use we know today, emphasizing shared experiences or challenges rather than actual seafaring adventures. Now, let's see how to use in the same boat in real-life situations. After talking to my coworker about our job difficulties, I realized we were in the same boat, struggling with the same tight deadlines. During a family reunion, I found out that my cousin and I were in the same boat, as we were both applying to colleges and worried about our future. In a support group, someone might say, "We're all in the same boat here," to emphasize empathy and shared experiences among members. While using "in the same boat," be mindful not to over-apply it. This idiom is best suited for situations where the shared experience is significant or challenging. It's less appropriate for trivial similarities and can seem insincere if used in contexts where the stakes aren't comparable. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origins, and use of the phrase, in the same boat. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this idiom more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms are a great way to make your language richer and more colorful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of English.